In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the new ChatGPT 4.0 memory feature to get improved results during your interactions with ChatGPT. First, let me quickly show you how to customize ChatGPT with your personal instructions. This section is where you can input your custom details like your location, job, hobbies, and goals. These instructions help ChatGPT understand you better. Additionally, you can specify how you want ChatGPT to respond, whether you prefer a particular style or length of responses. I've already entered my instructions here. You can pause the video and take a screenshot if you want to use similar instructions for your ChatGPT. Once you've set these instructions, there's another setting you need to adjust. Click on Settings and make sure the memory option is enabled. When this is turned on, any conversation or topic you want ChatGPT to remember can be stored for future reference. Let's test this feature now. Starting with a new chat, I'll ask for a summary of my channel without specifying it's a YouTube channel. Let's see what happens. ChatGPT correctly identifies and summarizes my YouTube channel, My Software Business, which focuses on digital marketing and AI tools based on the information I previously provided. Next, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a logo for me. I always say please to keep things friendly, but that's just my personal touch. You can see the logo it created looks good, and I can edit it if needed. If I want to tweak the image, I can use the options available, or I can use the generated prompt on another website to create even better images. Now you can access this image creation feature for free with ChatGPT 4.0, a feature that previously required a paid subscription. Although I subscribe to ChatGPT 4 mainly for this feature, I'm excited about the new memory function as well. It's a significant update that will likely impact the market. One more thing to note. Free users can't create custom GPTs, but they can use GPTs developed by others. Previously, these GPTs in the store were only accessible to GPT Plus subscribers, but now they're available to everyone with a ChatGPT account. This update will expand the reach of GPTs significantly, similar to the impact of the App Store's release for Apple. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let me know if you need more information. I'll be happy to make another video on related topics. Thanks for your time, and have a great day.